Hi, I'm Debbie.
I'm Jasmine. I'm Lisa. Kenny.
I'm Michael.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
All right. The purpose of this presentation is to instruct you on how to safely and effectively run twist and shout. Some of you may have ran it already, some of you may have not. All right. I do want to thank you guys for coming to this presentation, and I hope you gain a firm understanding of how to properly operate twist and shout to ensure the safety and conformity to the guidelines and safety of our guests. And for learning purposes, I will explain to you the proper procedures on how to operate twist and shout. First, the first thing we want to do before loading the guests onto the ride is we welcome them. Hi, how you doing? I'm good. All right, cool. So, just a couple things after that. You're gonna open the gate. You're gonna check their heights. They have to be 38 inches to ride with somebody, or 47 inches to ride by themselves. Then you're gonna tell them to come on in, swipe their cards for payment, tell them have a seat anywhere they want. Okay, finally, that brings you to the next step, actually securing the guests into the seat. That's one of the most important things we can do. So the second stage, as I said, is very important. We secure the riders and operate the coaster. You have to remember it is a machine. It can hurt you or the guest. Starting off, we're going to secure the guests into the coaster. We're going to walk out the gate. We're going to go to the left. We're going to flip the little switch that's on the car. We're going to push down the seats and buckle the seat belts. You go all the way to the right-hand side. You're going to do the same thing all the way down. You're going to pull the hose, push the button, pull the air hose off the nozzle. And you're going to hang it up in the magnetic holster that sits on the gate. Now we're almost ready to ride, so we go back to the control panel. You get back to the control panel. This is what you'll see. So, the first thing we need to do is open barriers and closed barriers. We need to make sure that the barriers get flipped to open, because we don't want the carts to go through the wall. You're also going to close the lap bars, so it should be switched to the closed position. And you want to verify that there is 3 green lines right here. That indicates everything's proper and ready to roll. At that point, you're going to hold start button 1, start button 2, right here at the same time, as well as putting your foot on the pedal. That controls it, and it'll let it go. Once it starts moving, you can remove your fingers from these buttons and watch the ride. So now that that goes on, and the ride is almost over and comes back into the station, we are going to do the same thing, but in reverse. When it gets to a stop, you're going to go out of the control panel gate. You're going to go plug in the air hose. You turn, once that's plugged in, you turn and lock all the cars so they cannot move. That's definitely a major safety issue, so we need to make sure that we do that. All the way down back to the right-hand side, left-hand side. All the way. Then we go back, flip that same knob on the car, open, so the lap bars lift up and the guests get out. And you would go open the gate, and they leave. Make sure you tell them, have a great day, see you again, see you around. So that's one of the most important things we can do. So in conclusion, now that I have discussed the proper operations of twist and shout, I hope you can truly take away the knowledge and information needed to safely and effectively run the ride. Using the proper operating standards each time, we can guarantee to run the ride safely, and it's not only important to get the guests on and off quickly, but also necessary to ensure they remain safe throughout the ride. Thank you.